So before going to the basic concepts, we just learned what is matter. We learned what is matter, okay, and energy, okay, and mass. For any object to interact with the universe, is it enough? Is it these quantities are enough? If the object have mass, okay, and it contains matter and it has energy in it, energy stored in it, is it is enough for interaction with the nature? No, right? It has to what? The energy has to be utilized. Energy has to be utilized in a which way? If you, for example, if you every day we walk, we talk, we sit, we stand, we perform different actions. So for any object to interact with the universe, what it has to be done? It has to move, right? For the object to move from one place to other place, what we need to do? We need to force it, and we need to apply force upon it. We need to pressurize it. So then it will move, okay? For any object to interact, for any object to interact with universe, either it should have its own energy to move, or force, I mean specially external force, should be applied upon it, right? Either it has to have its own energy for the movement, or we have to apply some external energy, external force should be applied on it so that it will move from one place to the other place. So now we understand what we get by the movement of an object by interact with the universe, okay? This is an object, you are applying external force on the object to move from position A to position B. It should move to what? Position A to position B. This object, I think it is a book, okay? It is a book. Okay, this book, it is on the table, okay? It is on the table A, okay? And you have to move it to the table B, okay? And there is a link between table A to table B. Some glass is placed here, okay? Glass frame is placed here. It has to move from table A to table B means what you do? You apply force upon it so that you will push it and it will be placed here, okay? Book. It will be placed here, okay? So, what an object should contain, okay, to move from one place to the other place? Mass is enough, okay, mass is there. Matter, okay, matter is there. Energy, okay, energy is produced. So, but basically what it contains, in which direction it is moving, that is matters, right? And what is the heaviness of the object, that also matters, right? So it should contain what? An object should contain for the movement, an object should contain, first one, magnitude, second one, direction. What is mean by magnitude? What is mean by direction? No need to worry, I'll explain you, okay? What is mean by magnitude? Example, in a way of example, we will understand what is mean by magnitude, okay? Now, I should not reveal my things, but I am telling you, my weight is, okay, on this earth, okay? My weight is 48 kgs, okay? 48 kg. weight, okay, human weight. I am human only, right? Not animal, not bird. Yeah. For example, if I move from one place to the other place, if I move from Bangalore to Mysore, okay, for example, from one place to other place, okay, Mysore is approximately 150 kilometers away, okay, from Bangalore. What are these things? 48 and 180. This is what? This is a quantity, right? This is what? This is a quantity. Quantity of me, okay? And this is a quantity of distance. So magnitude is what? It is a quantity or heaviness which contains, okay? Or it is a measure of, for example, my quantity is 48. That is my magnitude, okay? And distance between Mysore to Bangalore to Mysore is 150 kilometers. That is what? That is a physical quantity, that this much kilometer is there, okay? And these are all units, okay? It is a measurement of, any physical quantity. Measurement of any physical quantity, okay, which is in nature. In nature. What? Measurement of any physical quantity which exists in nature. Which exists in nature. What is mean by direction now? All of you tell me, what is mean by direction? Yeah. So yeah, what is mean by direction now? Direction, a path or a line or a way in which an object or person moves or looks or points at it is called as what? Is called as direction. When you are going on a road, it is called as what? It is a path, right? It is a path you are moving in, okay? Or when you are drawing a line from point A to point B, you are drawing a line, okay? You are drawing a line from A to B, okay? Or from the place A to from the place B, I am moving. It's called as path. If I'm drawing line from A to B, it is called as line, okay? And a way or a walking way, whatever it might be, okay? Which an object, see, one ball, okay? One ball moving in this direction. To what? To this place, okay? To this place it should attain, okay? It's called as what? Object movement, person movement. I am working like this is my movement, okay? Person moves, looks or points. Now I told about movement, okay? If you are looking at the place B, point B, if you are looking at the point B, in which direction, in which you are looking at it, that is also a direction. No, this is visibility. It is your visibility, okay? Don't go imaginary lines that I will go to other universe and jump into there and I will figure out what is mean by science. Don't do all these nonsense things, okay? Just focus here. Visibility, what is visible to my eyes? I am viewing this board, okay? From me to board, what is the direction? What is the straight line? How I am looking at it? That is visibility, right? That is looks or points. If B is a person and I am a person A and B is a person, I am telling that person B is standing in that location or standing in not right location. I am pointing it out, right? This is the direction. So an object or person which moves from point A to point B, or who looks at point A to point B, or who points at it from point A to point B is called as what? Direction. It can be any direction. It can be different direction. There are many different directions. Okay. So you understood what is mean by direction? So an object to move from one place to the other place, it should contain what? It should contain both magnitude, how much heavy, how much the physical quantity this object has, and also in what direction it is moving into. So it is moving into. So we achieve what? We achieve energy production and what? And work done. We achieve with what? Energy production and work done. Okay? Understood? All of you, what is mean by magnitude and direction? This is best example actually. You can understand this better. Okay? Now Neela moved from which place to which place? Which direction to which direction? South to north. Right? From south direction to the, she moved to the north direction. Okay? So this is direction. And at what rate she is moving, at what speed she is moving, it is 16 kilometers per hour. This is what is that 16? This is magnitude. Okay, this magnitude. Okay, and what is this? This is a unit, that's it. This is a unit of measurement, that's it. Thank you so much.